Darren, are there any other features about this club head that makes Perfect Club perfect?
Absolutely. Another feature to each Perfect Club is that it has a slight offset to it.
And really, that's a big advantage that many people don't know about, and that is when it's offset, your hands are automatically more in front of the ball at address. And when your hands are more in front of the ball, it's easier to make solid contact. And that's from any kind of a lie. When your hands are in front of that ball, it delays your hit slightly. And is it more fun hitting solid shots, Darren, or a little fat or a little thin?
Solid shots for sure. And having an offset, it also allows you to hit the ball straighter and will reduce that fade or slice. So at the end of the day, you'll hit it further.
And I believe that's true also because a ball will hook when your hands turn over and release. And the further that club head is back at address, when you come into that ball, it gives you that extra split second to release your hands and turn your gigantic slice into a tour draw. Just say yes, Darren.
Yes, that's great.